Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to calculate total, maximum, minimum and percentage on a mark sheet in Microsoft Excel. This video is going to be very helpful for beginners. Let's start by creating a simple mark sheet. Similarly, you can complete your mark sheet in this way. To calculate the total marks in Excel, we will use the sum formula. Simply type equal sum, select the cells you want to add, close the bracket and press. Then we got the answer. For example, equal sum bracket B2 colon F2 bracket close, then enter. And for the second, we will use the same formula, but here we use equal sum bracket B3 colon F3 bracket close, then enter. We got the answer. Similarly, we can calculate all the totals like this. To find the maximum score, we will use the maximum formula. Here we type equal maximum bracket B2 colon F2 bracket close, then enter. We got the answer. And for the second, same formula, equal max, but here we will use B3 bracket B3 colon F3, close the bracket, then enter. We got the answer. Similarly, we can calculate all the maximum like this. To calculate the minimum score, we will use the minimum formula. Type equal minimum bracket B2 colon F2 bracket close, then enter. For the second, we will use equal max bracket B3 colon F3 bracket close, then enter. And for the third, we will use equal max bracket B4 colon F4 bracket close, then enter. We got the answer. Finally, we can calculate all the minimum like this. To calculate the percentage, we will divide the total marks in column H by the maximum possible marks. In this case 6. So the formula is equal H2 by 4. Then enter. We got the answer. Similarly, we can calculate all the percentage like this. Thanks for watching. Hope you got the formulas. Do like, comment and subscribe. Let's